So we're back here at a finished project in Balerno, and I'm going to show you a little bit about the project. We did some filming when the project was underway, and yeah, finally got it to completion. This large patio area here, we've used a kind of thick sandstone. As you can see, really nice colours. It's kind of a bit of a theme throughout, is sort of buffy colours and reds. Sandstone's absolutely beautiful. Guys done a great job on that, and that kind of creates this big raised patio area here. And within that, we've got these 3 planters. So we've built them up with facing brick, and we've used the same paving as the ground for the copes here. So what we had to do to kind of create this finish, instead of using individual pieces, we've taken the slabs and we've actually cut them to size and shape. So there's no cut or join here, and I think that's a really nice detail. And the customer is going to be using these for beds for vegetables, basically. And along with that, they've got this greenhouse here as well. So another feature that we've built into the raised patio is 2 beds. Now there's some planting at the moment, but the customer's going to build on that. It's just sort of small 2-litre plants in at the moment. But in a couple of years, that'll be kind of full of colour and planting. And that takes us on to really what's the main feature in the garden. So we've built a really large steel water feature. And what we've done as well, we've actually inset one of these paving slabs into the bottom of the water feature here. So as you're walking across the garden, you can actually step over it and onto the other side. And we've got a water blade for the actual mechanism for the water feature as well. So looks brilliant, especially with that light in there. It's really fantastic. So I'm really happy with how that's turned out. For the rest of the garden, really kept it quite simple. So we've got lots of planting space on the left-hand side here and at the back as well. Again, another raised bed and a nice large lawn here. And we've just used a kind of brick edging to delineate the gravel path and the lawn. And you can't see it, but what we've got installed underneath the gravel is a honeycomb eco-grid system. So although it just looks like gravel, this stabilizes it. It's really quite hard underfoot, and it stops the gravel from, migrating to different parts of the path, and it's going to keep this kind of nice uniform finish for a long time. Big project. This was just essentially a big piece of soil when we started, and it's obviously a massive transformation. So really happy with the job, as are the customers.